Hello YouTube again. This video will show you how to use camstudio, how to install it and use it. Okay, first you gotta open up your Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox or whatever internet you use. Once you've opened that up, you're gonna have to go to camstudio.org. Once you've done that, you should scroll down. Keep scrolling down until it says, so where can I get it and how much does it cost? And it should say camstudio20.exe. Click that, and then you save the file. Once you've saved it, you should open it up and then agree, do all of this crap, and it should be installing. Press OK. Okay. You can just close this right here. And you don't have to restart your computer because I already installed it, but you might have to. Then you can close this stuff. Okay. Once you have downloaded this, you should open up camstudio. And this should pop up. And to use this, you just press this button to record, this to pause during any time, and this one to stop. So it's easy as that. Oh, and don't forget you can change your screen size to full screen, or you can edit it. And you could add your audio or not. And that's all it is to it. That's how we download and install download and use camstudio.